We're doing buttermilk chicken strips and fries tonight on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well I'm glad she's a pixel trucker, but she's not a shit trucker. So I'm making buttermilk chicken strips with fries tonight, as I said, guys. I had some buttermilk, I had chicken. So what the hell, I might as well make buttermilk chicken strips. So that's what we decided. Should be a good one, guys. The recipes are courtesy of... It is super crispy chicken strips, courtesy of Dinner Then Dessert.com. I apologize. And Perfect Thing Crisp Fries, courtesy of SpruceEats.com. So they're the two sites we're doing. If you don't know what to do here, guys, we go online and find a recipe, go to the store, get the stuff, and cook it. It's that simple. We've been doing this for about 96 days, the 365-day cooking challenge. It's also day 36 or 37 of my world record I'm attempting. The world record is cooking a different recipe off the internet every day without ever repeating. And I got an application with them to see what happens, given the coronavirus thing and everything. It's taking longer than anticipated, obviously. So we'll find out what happens with the application. Anyway, guys, let's get to this one. We're going to start with our potatoes. So now for our chicken, guys, we're going to have a cup of buttermilk, and tablespoon of hot sauce, oh sorry, teaspoon of hot sauce in there. Give her a stir around a little bit. Then we're going to add our chicken strips to it. Let them soak for about an hour, I think. Alright guys, welcome back. So we're going to start with putting our spices in our flour. We got some baking powder, paprika. Call for an 1/8 of a teaspoon, guys. I went with a quarter because I don't have an 1/8 teaspoon. It seemed pretty small. So that's pepper. That was 3/4 of a teaspoon. And an 1/8 of a teaspoon again of garlic powder, which is a teaspoon, and 2.5 teaspoons of salt. And we're going to whisk that together. So we're going to throw our chicken strip and buttermilk into the flour. That dredged up. And into the egg wash, it tells us that's just straight 2 eggs beaten. Beat the crap out of those little buggers. Okay. And then back in the flour. Up. Then onto the tray. So our fries and chicken strips are done, guys. They're looking pretty good. The fries are nicely golden brown. The chicken strips look nice and crispy. I think it's a good looking dinner for what it is. Chicken strips and French fries. I had to pretty up with the... Who doesn't like dinner in a basket? Like, son of a bitch. That's the best stuff. Let's try these fries, see how they turned out. They're not bad. They're pretty good. They are pretty good. Not bad fries at all.
What's open?
Let's check out the chicken strips.
No, I'm not going.
That was really good. Coating's really good, nice and crispy, good crunch. Damn, that is a good chicken strip. Wow. Good night, guys. You guys come over, take a look at our screen. It is Friday the Johns. Good Friday to everyone. Happy Easter of 2020, 6:48 p.m. I'll take a screenshot of that. And, well, this has been another Cooking with Jon, guys. Excuse me, I'm still chewing my chicken strips. And if you'd like to see me cook, throw it in the comments. Love to hear from you. And if you like to see me, guys, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button. And I guess we'll see you next time. Bye for now.